Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Discord profile link. So first of all, just open your Discord app. Now go here on user settings on bottom left side. Alright, now scroll down and go to advanced settings. Now here, make sure your developer mode is on. Alright, just keep it on. Now go back and go on bottom left side and click on your profile icon. And here, click on copy user ID. Alright. Now open any notepad on your computer. Okay. Now here, make sure to write discord app.com/user/ and now just paste the user ID you have copied earlier. Alright. Now copy the whole. Now copy the whole and just go on any browser and paste the copied username over here and just press enter. As you can see. Okay, wait a minute. Alright. As you can see, the link is working perfectly fine. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.